This Viano model W639 is having its wiper and washer system checked. Move the wiper motor to the park position. To do this, switch the wipers on and off. Important: risk of injury when working on the windshield wiper mechanism. So switch off the ignition. Then start with the preparations and open the engine hood. As always, the work area should be lined with protective covers. First, the wiper arms on the windshield are removed. A screwdriver is used to remove the caps. The washer fluid hose is disconnected from the windshield washer system. A ratchet wrench is required to detach the wiper arm. Use the ratchet wrench to unscrew the exposed nut. Then fit the puller special tool on the wiper arm. Tighten the puller until the wiper arm can be removed. Repeat the whole procedure to remove the second wiper arm. Work continues on the trim on the center piece. First remove the cover and the bracing plate underneath. Then the foam pads at the sides are removed. Under each one are two clips which must be pried off. Above the clips are two expansion rivets on each side, which must also be removed. The trim is now flexible enough that it can be lifted off. The right and left water hoses can now be disconnected. When the water hoses have been removed, the trim is completely detached. Take off the trim in order to reach the windshield wiper motor. To prevent scratches on the paint later, the electrical connector should first be unplugged from the motor. Then unscrew the bolts along the windshield wiper linkage. This is done using a cordless driver on both sides. Together with the windshield wiper motor, the wiper linkage can also be removed. Reinstall in the reverse order. The bolts are tightened to a torque of 25 Nm. Reinstall the trim in the usual way. A new point to note when installing the wiper arms. The wiper blades must be aligned with a mark. Both are tightened to 18 Nm. When doing this, make sure that the one on the driver's side is at the top and the one on the passenger side is fitted parallel with it. Put the cap back on and you are finished.